It's raining like hell and I didn't find another umbrella than this one, which is very embarrassing. I hope none of my friends sees me. I really wish to take a walk, but lately it's raining so much I can't. It's almost like autumn, although it's June. I hate Finland sometimes. I miss my walks. It's not even 11 o'clock and I'm already about to get my final driving license from the police station. That's exciting. Finally it was like fast to be there. Usually the queue is like 1 to 2 hours, but now the whole thing took less than 10 minutes because the driver's license was already made for me, so I didn't have to wait for it. I just went shopping grocery food for my lunch break and I did some really good purchases. This meat soup, minus 30% off. Oh, this was actually the salad, a salad. And the meat soup, also 30% off. I did good. I still have like half an hour before my work begins, so I think I'm going shopping somewhere. Maybe Stockmann. So it's 10:30 in the evening and I'm going to my Mäkki now. I just bought a ticket. I was really nervous. I thought I wouldn't know how to use the machine to buy tickets, but I knew how to do it. Now I'm waiting for my train. It's still really bright, although it's 10:30 in the evening. That's the special thing about Finland. The sun never goes down, you know? It's midsummer and tonight I'm gonna swim in a lake and sleep well in the... Okay, I'm finally here in our summer place cottage and this is the room I'm gonna sleep in. I've been waiting all winter to get here and now I'm finally here. I have missed it so much. I love this summer place we have.